Hello everyone, Samsung is preparing to launch the latest Galaxy A42 5G. The device has been doing rounds on the internet for quite some time. It could be the company's cheapest 5G enabled handset. Now, as per the listing on the Chinese 3C website, this smartphone has been spotted revealing its battery information. However, the company has not yet announced the launch date of the Galaxy A42 5G. The upcoming Galaxy A42 5G would be the third model of the Galaxy A40 lineup. As per the previous leaks and rumors, the smartphone will be the upgraded variant of the Galaxy A41. The Samsung Galaxy A42 5G will be reportedly feature a good 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor. The device will feature a triple-layer camera setup at the back, including 64 megapixel, 25 megapixel, 12 megapixel, plus LED flash, and for the front selfie camera there will be 32 megapixel expected. The GPU is listed to be Adreno 619 that is associated with the Snapdragon 690 chipset. Since the device supports 5G, higher RAM options should also be expected alongside. The device is listed to pack 4GB of RAM, but we should expect 6GB and 8GB of RAM variant and run on Android 10Q, presumably with one UI tweaks. The single core score of the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G on Geekbench is 615, whereas the multi-core score is at 1799. The Samsung Galaxy A42 5G leaks suggest a 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. Moreover, tipped to come with 128GB of internal storage capacity, expandable up to 512GB via microSD card. There is no word from Samsung yet about the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G launch date. We can expect Galaxy A42 5G priced in India around 30,000 rupees and 400 in the United States. We can expect early Samsung Galaxy A42 5G launch about on October 2020. Let me know in the comment section what specs would you want to see on a Samsung Galaxy A42 5G.